Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're making one of my favorite Persian stews. It's a beautiful combination of sweet and savory flavors, and trust me, once you try it, you'll understand why it's been loved for generations. So, let's get cooking. As always, we'll start with the onions. Take 2 onions and finely dice them. Heat a little oil in a pot. Then add the onions. Cook them slowly until they turn beautifully golden. Now add a little turmeric. Give everything a quick stir and let that wonderful aroma develop for about a minute. Next, it's time for the chicken. You can use chicken breasts or chicken thighs, whichever you prefer. Add the chicken to the pot. Then season it with a little salt, freshly ground black pepper, and just a pinch of cinnamon. Now cook everything together for a few minutes until the chicken is lightly browned and coated with all those beautiful spices. Once that's ready, pour in enough water to cover the chicken. Bring it to a gentle boil. Then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Now comes one of my favorite parts of this recipe, the dried fruit. Add the dried plums and the dried apricots. As they slowly cook, they become soft, sweet, and fill the stew with an incredible fruity flavor. To balance everything perfectly, add just a little sugar, not too much, just enough to bring all the flavors together. Now let the stew continue to simmer, nice and gently. While that's cooking, let's prepare the most special ingredient in this dish. The quince. Slice the quince into thick wedges. In a separate pan, add a little saffron, a bit of sugar, 2 cardamom pods, and just a splash of rosewater. Now add the quince and gently sauté it. As it cooks, it becomes beautifully golden, soft, and incredibly fragrant. Honestly, the aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Once the quince is lightly caramelized, transfer it into the stew. Now let everything simmer together, slowly, until the sauce becomes rich and slightly thick, and every ingredient has shared its flavor with the others. And that's it. Your delicious Persian quince stew is ready. Serve it with fluffy Persian steamed rice and enjoy one of the most comforting, elegant, and flavorful dishes in Persian cuisine. I really hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, I'd love to hear what you think. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next recipe.